How to change Utorrent to dark mode. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the Utorrent application on your device. So just go for it and check on the Play Store. So as you can see, it is the updated version of on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the user interface of Utorrent. So as you can see, this is the home page that we have landed on. So what we need to do is just tap on the three lines at the top left corner over here, then tap on settings, and as you tap on settings you'll be able to see the option of theme. So right now it's toggled on for light. Now you just have to tap on dark, and there you go, you have changed the Utorrent to dark mode. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.